Hello, welcome to SWM or Silkwave Mission for Refugees. It's a non-profit organization that provides educational support services for refugees to obtain course certifications that will improve their personal and professional lives with the end goal of job placement and citizenship assistance. In this presentation, we will do a quick run-through of the learner journey from inquiry to completion. So step one is inquiry. Whether it's through social media advertisements, word of mouth, or other various channels, the first step in the learner's journey is that they are made aware about Silkwave's online courses and certifications. Learners then will visit the SWM website and use contact forms or chat support to inquire about available courses, certifications, enrollment procedure, financial information, and any other questions. The learner will then fill out an online registration form on the SWM platform. If they are refugees, they are enrolled into financial aid and assisted by our financial aid department to receive full or partial funding through grants and scholarships. Once they're enrolled, learners then receive a welcome email with an orientation video and an invitation to an introductory webinar that outlines how to navigate the platform and access resources. Learners have access to regular check-ins, discussion forums, live chat support, and mentorship programs to assist with any challenges they may face. During their studies, learners track their progress, grades, GPA, through dashboards and receive regular progress reports. Feedback surveys are conducted to gather learner insights of course structure and instructor performance. Upon completing the course, learners receive a certificate of completion and are invited to a virtual graduation ceremony. They are also encouraged to join the alumni network for continued support and networking opportunities. And the primary purpose of SWM for refugees is to build their skill sets to obtain employment in a foreign country. So SWM focuses on employment placement and assistance services for newly certified graduates and regular check-ins post-placement.